Working from home is vaunted as the new normal as COVID-19 continues to spread and vaccination is yet to become available. However, gap in digital infrastructure and the nature of work across the country mean that this working arrangement is unlikely to be the new normal for most workers in Malaysia. Right, Siti Tumin, a researcher at Khazanah Research Institute. When people start to working at home, how about their connection? Are their connection securities as good as at workplace?
So let's talk about the network perimeter and endpoint security. First of all, let's define network perimeter and endpoint perimeter. Network perimeter refers to the secure boundary between the private and locally managed side of a network, often a company intranet, and the public-facing side of a network, often the internet. The internet perimeter includes border router, firewall, intrusion detection system (IDS), intrusion prevention system (IPS), and screen subnet. Endpoint security refers to any device that connects to the network, from server to desktops, fixed function to mobile device, and increasingly any device that is network enabled. This one futuristic called Internet of Everything is increasingly becoming reality. Endpoint security helps secure network and device, cloud hosting, data storage, software as a service, on-site staff activity, remote workers, partner, and vendor access.
Network perimeter and endpoint security in workplace. From traveling salesmen to equity investors, professionals who can remotely be at risk from inadequate network perimeter and endpoint security. As more and more workers have had to switch from work in 2021, these security issues become target for hackers. Remote work environments often lack many of the security measures put in place at your company's workplace. With network perimeter and endpoint security, we are referring to measures that secure your computer, network, and its connections to various computers, phones, tablets, services, and database, and many more. Mobile devices which professionals can often use to conduct business on the road are often more exposed to phishing schemes because the way we interact with these devices. Fast-paced communications and interactions can make people more prone to click on these links, playing right into phishing schemes. Experts predict that many data breaches will occur through telecommuters, mobile devices, and off-premises assets. Even after COVID-19 related restrictions lift, many workers will not be returning to company offices. For example, in the United States, 59% of employees working from home with the pandemic say that they prefer to work remotely. Some companies have already announced that they are switching to permanent remote workplace, making adequate network perimeter and endpoint security critical importance for the years to come.